I be trying to teach my youngsters with fast metabolism, not you fat with slow metabolism. You can't eat this. I reiterate. I'm gonna put a disclaimer in my videos. I do not do videos for fat people. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. What's up with it, guys? Colleague Muscle here. And today I got on a little jury, as you see. Today we're here because I want to give people that's not financially stable a hood hack. It's called a spread. You know, I learned this trick when I was incarcerated, unfortunately. But it's a meal I also ate when I wasn't incarcerated. It's a good meal. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your Coca-Cola, of course. You gotta have your honey. You got your mayo, your mustard. You got your Marty Cone top ramen, your tuna, Cheetos, and beef stick, right? So we're gonna go ahead and move those out the way. Hold on, let me take this call. What's up with the Mount filming? Huh? Oh, you got that 1 ton of top ramen? Alright, you got my $5 million for the sponsorship, right? It's all good then, baby. We gotta get some new grills and stuff. Yeah, we gotta buy a new motorcycle. I need another motorcycle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna get that AMG Biz too. Yeah, we gonna get that like next week, 2 weeks or so. Yeah. All right, we good. I gotta do the video, man. All right. Everybody always want to Colleague Muscle, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm hot. I just got a deal with a knife company. You know, they seen my last videos about the knife.
You put the knife down, all that chill over there.
Okay, go ahead. I don't chill out with nobody. Go. So here we go. We're going to bust that down. So this is a 1,000+ calorie meal we doing today. So you want to break that down, put that up. There it is. Press that up and then. Oh yeah, there we go. So we got this 2 cups of water, hot water right here. You let that marinate up in there, boy. So we gonna let that marinate up in there. Let me crush it down, boy. Let me crush it down. Oh, I stabbed that boy like I would've did. So we gonna let that marinate up in there for about 5 minutes, man. See that? You let that swell up. You let that swell up like them delts right there. See how them delts swell up in the biceps and stuff? I'm just too swole. Y'all gotta excuse my muscles. They all over the place. Woo! That's that high fructose corn syrup, baby. Watch how my veins just pop out after I drink that. Oh, God damn it. What? Huh? Yeah, of course. What I do every day? I do videos. I record videos. That's how I get rich. That's why I'm richer than you. Huh? You got a deal. What is the deal? A honey deal? What company is it? Busy Bee? Oh, I mess with them. Tell them we start off, we do a 6-month thing for $1 million. Then we see where it goes from there. Alright? What's happening with Coca-Cola? 500,000. Oh no, this Coca-Cola, the multi-billion-dollar company. They want to give me 500,000 for 2 months. You telling my 6 months, $5 million. All right? Yeah, I got Heidi Whitey over here. He got to eat too, man. All right. Shit. This is how I got buff from this. Right here. Top ramen. Yeah, y'all already know. When you Google top ramen, Colleague Muscle pop up. And tuna right here. That's chicken of the sea. They cool. You know what I'm saying? Sun-kissed chicken of the sea. So each pack is 370 calories. So both of those put together, about 740. So if you're prone to have high blood pressure, heart disease, you don't want to eat top ramen. Colleague Muscle here to tell you. Everybody say I've been telling everybody to eat bad food. That's why I'm not here for that. I'm here for the beast. I'm here for the people that's not from this planet. I'm here for the people that got fast metabolism. If you fighting the addiction of being on 600-pound life, you might as well scroll through this video. It's not for you, okay? Everybody trying to blame me for their bad health. I'm not the reason, bro. Look at me. I'm a walking specimen. Y'all gotta pray to live this long. Alright? Hey, I'm not sorry for you having up to that. Okay, you can't eat this. I can't. Let me give it a sip. This is like 700 calories right here. This is 160, that's 500 calories. Let's see what we got here, boy. Oh yeah. We ready. We ready. I done gained 15 pounds in 4 weeks. So I'm excited. See, we want to get that water up out of there like that, boy. I don't want it too moist. Unlike something else I like moist with my women. Yeah, we're gonna put that seat under there, boy. Ooh, get that close up that seat. That's a salt, boy. It will break you and make you. It either give you heart disease, high blood pressure, puffiness, water retention, or to make you look like possibly big. Oh, God, dog, look at that. Let me just look at this. All right, I'm about to eat all this, too, a whole camera. A lot of people say, Calorie Muscle, don't eat that. Calorie Muscle, Calorie Muscle, don't eat that. He don't eat that. I'm excited, man. Every time I get excited about those, start running like a heroin or a cokehead. My nose, ooh, look at that. Come on, man. Why is this why is this so water? My nose is running. Go. So we gonna mix that up in there like that. Still a little too much water for my liking, but hopefully it gets sucked up. Honey, a lot of y'all are sleeping on honey, man. Honey is one of the best things in life. Y'all be sleeping on honey, man. Tuna, juice out. Cause I don't want my hood hack calorie gainer spread over wet. You know what I mean? If it's over wet, it don't get a lot of traction. If you do that big. Gonna mix that in there like that, boy. There we go, man. Hood hack, man. Simple as that, man. This meal only costs about $2. Can't go wrong with this, man. I be trying to teach my youngsters with fast metabolism, not you fat with slow metabolism. You can't eat this. I reiterate. I will put a disclaimer in my videos. I do not do videos for fat people. I do videos for youngsters and OGs that can't gain weight, that have a problem with gaining weight. That's what Calorie Muscle here for. If you a fat, go to one of these wannabe fitness experts that used to be a fat or think they know the key to help you from being a fat, go to their channel. Go to their social media. Because Calorie Muscle, I'm only here for a beast. Oh, honey got calories. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Lord, thank you for the food. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for my gold teeth. Thank you for my gold ring with the 3 money signs. Thank you for my watch, as big as heck. I get a lot of attention when I wear it in public. Thank you for my earrings. Thank you for my designer glasses. It's making them jealous right now watching this video. As you continue blessing me, bless my family, bless Miles, bless his family. Excuse me, I had to spit a little bit, Lord. Thank you for my kids. Thank you for making me rich. Amen. Thank you. I love you. There we go. Let's see how fast I eat that. Matt Stoney. Let's have a eat off of a spread. Wow, I can eat now. I let a mukbang open my stomach up, boy. I'm disgusting. I look disgusting. I'm making a disgustingly amount of money. I got a disgusting attitude. Y'all better thank Miles. He's my emotional support system when I'm out in public. I'm like, come on, Callie. Come on, just calm it down. We got money to make, man. No need to stab or shoot nobody, okay? So there we go, man. Done deal. While y'all say I don't eat it, how you think I gained this weight, bro? I've been eating. Hey, we in hard times right now. Do what you gotta do. Everybody can't eat at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Like y'all be coming on my let me get that my goatee. There we go. Goatee. Get out that goatee, come on the line. Anyway, like I was saying, everybody can't eat at Whole Foods, Trader Joe's. You know, they be in my comment section broke, act like they eating at Whole Foods. Shut your broke up. You are eating just like us, motherfucker. You going to Mickey D's, Burger King, Taco Bell, like everybody else. Oh, Kelly Muslim, you gonna die of a heart attack. What your fat mama, fat daddy, and all your family gonna die of, motherfucker. Cause they eating there too. And your broke. You only afford, you can't even afford a Mac. You know how expensive McDonald's is now? You can't even afford a Big Mac. Shut up. So with that, hey, y'all that can't afford a Big Mac, go to fast food every day, go on and eat this, man. Top ramen, $2 meal right there, 1,000 calories plus, high calorie, baby. This ain't for you fat that's about to be on 600-pound life, all right? So if you mad at me and my hood hack high calorie meal, spread hyphy meal, you show them the ring, show them the ring. Oh man, and God. Don't be. Look at them go. Don't be. Look at them go, Ray. Look at them go, Chan. Don't be. Jan. Get your right boy, I'm tired of with you people.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.